Hello my lovely people, how now dey? I hope so now dey fine. In today's video I want to show now how to prepare braided hair. So you cut the hair, the length depends on the length where you want to use. So as often they pull the hair small. That's how I'll take do all. So free all they stretch the hair come out like that. No hurry, just suffer they do one so that you don't go waste hair. All go still the length where you want. And so I'll take continue. My lovely people, I appreciate all the support until they support me, till they watch my video, till they help me, they share my video. I appreciate. So I just continue the hair like that. Sure now see as I tell you do so. So now brush now I'll come brush and now. So that side I go hold on tight before I start to brush the hair. So if I brush this side finish, I will still brush the other side. Now see that side when I comb finish, I still hold on tight. So I'll brush on like that now. I don't see the hair. I said till they prepare my braided hair if they never stretch the hair down. So now the other color when I prepare now it be this. Thank you. I go see you now for my next video. Bye.